particular order, actually. The location. What's the third thing? The price.
Awesome. Come along with me as we top the two top estates in Enugu, Transit and Elite.
Welcome to Transit Estate.